Assalamu alaikum, sir. I am Hamad Khan with my registration number 17900163. I am going to present the topic explain application of computers in textile testing. Let's have an eye on contents. Introduction to textile testing and quality control. What is textile testing? What is quality control? Application of computer in textile testing. List of computerized textile testing and quality control equipments. Conclusion. First of all, we talk about the introduction to textile testing and quality control. Textile testing and quality control is very important work or process in each department of export-oriented industry. Both includes the points like checking raw materials, monitoring production, assessing the final product, investigation of the faulty material, product development and research to produce required quality product, to fulfill the customer's demand, to reduce the production cost, to reduce the wastage, to earn maximum profit at minimum cost. In every department of textile industry, quality maintained of each material because one material quality depends on another qualities. What is textile testing? When you put on clothing, you want to feel it put against your skin, and you don't know want it to contain harmful substances. Textile companies and consumer agencies conduct many kinds of analysis to make sure our clothes and fabric we use in our homes won't harm us, will be comfortable and stay colorful for a long time. These processes we can say they are textile testing. Textile testing is checking the quality and the suitability of raw material and selection of material. It is important part for textile production, distribution and consumption. There are some reasons for textile testing such as checking raw material, monitoring production, assessing the final project, investigation of the faculty material, product development and research. What is quality control? Quality control is a set of steps or guidelines designed to guarantee that a product or service meets certain performance standards. Textile quality control is measured by a garment's quality as well as the various production components. Selection of raw materials such as fiber manufacturing or yarn manufacturing. Quality control is a process by which entities review the quality of all the products in an industry. It refers to ways of ensuring the quality of a service or product. Actually, quality control is a system for verifying and maintaining a desired level of quality in an existing product or service by careful planning, use of proper equipment, continued inspection, and corrective action as required. Application of computers in textile testing, which is our main topic. The incorporations of computer and microprocessors have brought great changes to the instrumentation used for textile testing. Their use falls into two main categories: recording and calculation of results and automation of the test procedure. Both of these uses may be found in the most advanced instruments. In these applications, the computer is usually connected via an analog to digital converter to an existing instrument from where it collects the data that would previously have been written down on paper by the operator. List of computerized textile testing and quality control equipments in which usage of computer plays a significant role. These instruments are scanning electron microscope, X-ray, photoelectron spectroscopy, spectrophotometer, rotor wash color, fastness tester, computer color matching, air permeability tester, automatic fabric inspection machine, busting strength tester. There are many other instruments in which the usage of computer can be held for textile testing. Now we see one by one application of computers in these instruments for testing. First one is scanning electron microscope. It is a type of electron microscope that produces images of a sample by scanning the surface with a focused beam of electrons. The electrons interact with atoms in the sample, producing various signals that contain information about the surface topography and the composition of the sample. So, SEM for the tensile test, SEM for the imaging of the conducting fibers. Now, first we see the scanning electron microscope for the tensile test. Tensile tests are also needed in some production lines in order to check how resistant fibers or when staged. By performing tensile tests in SEM, the user is allowed to check in real time how the fibers break or how the fiber textile stretches under the presence of force. So this is a picture you can see how this is the stretching of fibers occur. Next one, conducting fibers such as metals grid can be effortlessly imaged in SEM without any complex sample preparation. So the specimen composing of the fiber is arranged on a pin stub and then positioned on a holder capable of being inserted into the microscope. Next one, X-ray photo electron spectroscopy. XPS is a technique for analyzing the surface chemistry of material. XPS can measure the elemental composition, empirical formula, chemical state, and electronic state of the elements within a material. XPS spectra are obtained by irradiating a solid surface with a beam of X-rays while simultaneously measuring the kinetic energy electrons that are emitted from the top 1 to 10 nanometer of the material being analyzed. A photoelectron spectrum is coded by counting ejected electrons over a range of electron kinetic energies. Peaks appear in the spectrum from energy emitting electrons of the particular characteristic energy. The energies and the intensities of the photoelectron peaks enable identification and quantification of all the surface elements except hydrogen. Next one, spectrophotometry. Spectrophotometry usually used in textile to measure the efficiency of dyeing and Q/S value. It is used in the quantitative measurement of the reflection or transmission properties of the material as a function of wavelength. It is more specific than the general term electromagnetic spectroscopy in that spectroscopy deals with the visible light, near ultraviolet and near infrared, but does not cover time-resolved spectroscopic techniques. So spectroscopy involves the use of spectrophotometer. A spectrophotometer is a photometer that can measure the intensity as a function of the light source wavelength. Important features are spectral bandwidth and the linear range of the absorption or reflectance measurement. Next one, Rotavash color fastness tester. The Rotavash is a laboratory instrument used for conducting accelerated laundering or dyeing tests. It is applicable for performing washing, dry cleaning, dyeing, color fastness to fulling detergency, and other laboratory tests. It is capable of conducting low temperature tests up to 95 Celsius. It uses a water bath heated to immersion heaters. The unit runs at 40 rpm as the required by all the relevant current standards. It is equipped with automatic bath temperature and test cycle duration control devices. Next one, computer color matching. It is a system that measures the reflectivity of the target color with a spectrocalorimetry and calculates the blending ratio of color material were registered in a computer in advance to reproduce the color. Computer color matching is an instrumental color formulation based on the recipe calculation using the spectrophotometric properties of the dye stuff and the fibers. Pantone color can also be used for color matching, but computer color matching is more accurate than this. Next one, air permeability tester. According to fabric air permeability test, the air flow through a given area of fabric is measured at a constant pressure drop across the fabric. The fabric is clamped over the air inlet and the air is drawn through the fabric sample by the means of a suction pump. Fabric inspection has proven to be the one of the most difficult of all textile processes to automate. It has taken decades for computer and scanning technology to develop the extent that practical, consistent, and reasonable user-friendly systems could be produced. Automatic inspection systems are designed to increase the accuracy, consistency, and the speed of the detection of defects in the manufacturing process of fabrics in order to reduce labor cost, improve product quality, increase manufacturing efficiency. Next one, bursting strength tester. The bursting strength tester is designed for measuring the bursting strength of the fabric material subjected to an increasing hydrostatic pressure. This pressure is applied to a circular region of the specimen through an elastic diaphragm. The specimen is firmly held around the edge of the circular region by a pneumatic clamping device. In the previous slides, we see the usage of computers in these equipment for the textile testing. So the first one, it can by the help of computer, the measurement can be more consistent. It may have adjustment of zero level. You can see the ability to adjust the zero level for the instrument automatically, and the ability of conclusion, this ability to perform all the intermediate calculation together with any statistically calculations in the case of multiple tests. And the last one, printed output, the ability to give a finely neatly printed report which may be given directly to a customer, which can be helpful for the understanding of the customer. Thank you, sir.